Hey guys, today we got a new Leer 100 XR. Fits the 14 to 18 Chevy GMC trucks with the 6.5 foot bed. This is a brand new unit. This is a misorder, so it was ordered wrong, basically, but there's nothing wrong with it. Color is G1E. G1E. It's a tri-coat color. It's a burgundy color. It's in perfect shape. I mean, we just took it off the truck, cleaned it, washed it, went to go put it on the guy's truck, and clearly was misordered. So nothing wrong with it. Brand new. Bottom edge is perfect. I don't think there are no problems with the bottom edge on this at all. Got a little bit of dirt there. There we go. It does have the half side sliders on the side. Sliding window in the front. Nothing wrong on the paint at all. Looks good through here. No problems on the paint at all. Like I said, there's a sliding window, so this window slides open, allows access into the cap from the cab, and the cab from the cap. Close that back up, lock, shut that up, secure that, keep the weather out. Both windows are the same on both sides. It has half side sliders on both sides. Paint's in great shape. Like I said, it's brand new, so not going to be any issues. Looks good all the way through there. Bottom edge looks good. Nothing wrong with that at all. Does have the frameless rear door in the back. It's a locking rear door, frameless rear door. Still has the shipping foam pads on there, so. Does have the build sheet there, or the build tag, basically. That's the serial number. It's a 100 XR. It fits the 14 to 18 Silverado Sierra. G1E Crimson is the color. Siren red, I guess it's also called. Door locks. It does have a locking mechanism there. The keys will be in the. Now this is the wiring and the keys and the clamps and everything to put it on. It does have the wiring because this is keyless entry. So this cap does have keyless entry on it. As you can see, that's wired up there for the keyless entry. Also has pet screens in it. So it has screens that if you got your dog in there, the dog won't tear through the screens. They're easy enough to take off if you didn't want them on there. You can unscrew them there. You can see this, they're just screwed in like that, but it does have the pet screens on it. Both sides. Fuse box. Serial number. It's upside down. Let me spin the thing around here. Here we go. 100 XR G1E 66 GS 14, so it's 6.5 foot GM trucks, 14 to 18 body style. So it's, like I said, it's perfect inside. There's no issues on side here at all. It's brand new. Dome light. It does have the dome light right there. There it is. Oh, it also has a gas prop switch. So it has the prop switch here that turns the dome light on and off when you close the door. So the options on this, I should have just looked at the tag, are the pet screens, the gas prop switch, and the keyless entry. And, oh, and front sliding window. Now that I'm reading the order sheet. So there it is. It's a Leer 100 XR. It's the 2014 to 2018 Chevy GMC trucks with the 6.5 foot bed. Also the 19, 25, 3500s with the 6.5 foot bed. 2018 body style. Also the LD if you have the old body style in 2019. G1E Crimson red. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, see how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, those can all be purchased from us. Just click that link, go to our website, type in what you're looking for, and we'll get it sent right out to you right away. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, a certain model, brand, color, style, design, what have you, we can upload to YouTube and our website as soon as the inventory comes in, or used inventory. So as soon as the inventory comes in, we upload that to YouTube and our website. So you want to hit the subscribe button below to stay up to date on inventory as it gets here. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.